Hello, class. So today we're going to be talking about why Earth is a habitable planet. So the first thing that we're going to talk about is what does habitable mean? That means it is suitable or good enough to live. The planetary habitability is the measure of a planet's potential to develop and maintain environments hospitable to life. So the things that you would need to have life on a planet is oxygen, carbon dioxide, water, atmosphere, sunlight, plants, and everything like that. So this is a picture of the habitable zone. You can see that Earth and Mars are in this zone, being such a far distance away from the sun. So why does Earth have an atmosphere? The atmosphere gives us oxygen to breathe. It has an atmosphere due to the mass and temperature, which then results in the magnetic field. So shown to the right is a picture of Earth and Mars. The only difference between these two, because although they're in the same habitable field and zone, Mars lacks a strong magnetic field that Earth has. Therefore, this makes Mars not habitable. So shown is a picture of the Earth's magnetic field. Earth has habitable features because of this. And not only that, but the mass, position from the sun, and the plate tectonics also play into the habitable environment. And this is why Earth is a habitable planet.